Assalamualaikum. How are you to all my dear students of class 1? This is your second class of LIT. Today we are going to start the reading of chapter. Your first class was just overview about LIT, but today we are starting chapters. Today we will learn chapter number 1. We will have a very interesting topics in your LIT book. This is your English LIT book. Look at this. A green one color, light green in color. This is your English LIT book and we have so many chapters. Today we will read chapter number 1. We have a very interesting story in this chapter. Chapter name is The Hungry Mouse. Have you seen a mouse? What is mouse? Mouse is an animal. What is mouse? A mouse is an animal. Have you seen a mouse? I know you have seen a mouse. What is the qualities of a mouse? Mouse is normally grey in color. It moves here and there. So, what is the meaning of hungry? What is the meaning of hungry? When you need food. When you need food, it means the mouse is hungry. I think mouse is hungry. So we will read in this chapter. So you will tell what is a complete story. Now, may I start the reading? Open page number 9. This is first chapter in your English LIT book. Page number 9. Open page number 9 with me. Have you opened it? Chapter number 1. There is a name of the chapter, The Hungry Mouse. Words to learn. There are some words that is written on the top of the page. Read with me. Number 1, mouse. Number 1, mouse. Read with me. Mouse. Hungry. Some. Wants. Now repeat the line again with me. Mouse. Hungry. Some. Wants. Now come on. Line number 2. Find, pass, weeks, month. Now repeat the line with me. Find, pass, weeks, month. Now we are line number 3. Read with me. Still, think, very, basket. Repeat the line. Still, think, very, basket. Repeat the third line with me. Still, think, very, basket. Now last line, line number 4, corn, down, thick, cloth. This is the last line. Read with me. Corn, down, thick, cloth. Now these are the words that is used in your story. Now start the story with me. It is a very interesting story. I hope you will enjoy it. First, look at the picture. This is a picture of a mouse. This is a picture of a mouse. As you know, we are learning about a hungry mouse. First, look at the picture. This is a picture of a hungry mouse. Look at this picture. Can you see? He is crying. Do you know why he is crying? So, start the reading of this chapter. Put your finger, class 1, put your finger. It is a hot day. Hot means it is a sunny day. Look at the sun. Look at the sun, class 1. It is a hot day. Mr. Mouse is hungry. Mr. Mouse is hungry means Mr. Mouse want to eat food. He wants some food. Mr. Mouse is hungry and he wants to eat some food. He looks here. He looks there. He looks and looks. Mr. Mouse is hungry. He wants some food. He is finding the food, but there is no food to eat. He cannot find any food. Mr. Mouse cannot find any food, but he is so hungry he wants to eat food. The days pass. Mr. Mouse is thin. The days has passed, but he has not found any food, but he wants to eat food. Why? Because he is feeling very hungry. What is the meaning of thin? Thin means smart. Look at this picture of a mouse. Can you see he is a thin? He is feeling hungry. Can you imagine? Now the weeks pass. First the days pass. Now weeks pass. But he has not found any food. Turn the page. Class 1. Turn the page. Now page number 10. Page number 10. Page number 9 we have done. Now page number 10. First line, Mr. Mouse is thinner, means he has become thinner. He has become very slim. Why? Because he is hungry. He don't have any food to eat. If you don't have any food, can you become slim? Think about it. A month passes. Still there is no food. Now he is very upset. Look at this picture. He started crying. He is very upset. He wants to eat food. Mr. Mouse is very thin. Mr. Mouse is very thin. Now he is thinking, I am very thin. Thinks Mr. Mouse, I must eat something. He is very upset now. He wants to eat something. Mr. Mouse goes down the path. It means he just crossing the way. He is just crossing away. He sees a basket. Look at this. This is a picture. This is a house and this is a picture of a basket with a thick cloth on top. This is a cloth, a red one color. This is a cloth. A corn is covered by a cloth. A cloth is red in color. Look at this picture. A corn is covered by a cloth. What is corn? A corn is a cereal or a grain. There is a hole in the basket. Look at this. This is a hole. Can you see corn from the hole? Look at this. This is a hole, a small hole. Mr. Mouse goes in the hole. Now Mr. Mouse is happy. He has found some food. A corn. A corn is a food, a grain. Mr. Mouse is very thin. He wants to eat food. Now he saw a basket and in a basket there is a corn. Now he is feeling happy. Mr. Mouse eats the corn. He eats and eats. He did not stop and he just starting a lot of eats of corn. I am full, he says. He says, now I am full. My tummy has full. Now turn the page. Page number 11. Look at this. It is a very beautiful picture of a basket. There is a corn. A mouse is in a basket and he has started eating a corn. Now he has full. He does not stop. He just start eating a corn and he ate too much corn. Mr. Mouse is not thin now. He is not thin now. He ate a lot and he is feeling very fatty. Help, he shouts. Mouse has start shouting, help me, I cannot get out from the basket. Please help me to come out from the basket. Mr. Rat comes by that way. Where is the basket? A Mr. Rat comes by that way. Mr. Rat says, Mr. Mouse, get thin. Do not eat too much. Get thin. You cannot get out from this basket. You have to get thin. Then you can came out. If you will get thin, you can came out from this basket. So what come out? Yes. Now, what is the moral of this story? We should not eat a lot. We should eat according to your tummy. So don't be greedy. This is a book word, page number 13, exercise E. Exercise E, it is a very simple exercise. Put in the missing letters to make words from the story. There are 4 words that we used in the book. There is basket, S-K-E-T. B-K-T has already written in the book. You will write A-S-E to complete the spelling of basket. Number 2, path. P and T has written P dash dash H. So how can you complete the spelling? P-A-T-H. Path. Now number 3, C-O-M-E-S. How can you pronounce comes? Comes. C-O-M-E-S. Comes. Now last, number 4, corn. C-O-R-N. Corn. Look at the picture. It is a corn. It is a picture of corn that mouse has eaten a lot. So our book work has done. It is a copy work. First you will make a title page. This is the first chapter in your copy. Chapter number 1. First you will maintain the page, title page. Chapter number 1, the hungry mouse. You will write like this, the hungry mouse. 1 finger distance in the spelling, the hungry mouse. Now maintain the page of words meaning like this. Words meaning. Number 1, hungry. What is the meaning of hungry? Needing food. When you need food, needing food. N-E-E-D-I-N-G, needing. F-O-O-D, food, needing food. Number 2, pass. P-A-S-S, pass. Meaning is a way. A way, W-A-Y. Read with me. A way. When you will do this work, first you will read and then write. Now number 3, shout. S-H-O-U-T, shout. And the meaning is a loud cry. A loud cry. Spelling of loud, L-O-U-D, loud, and C-R-Y, cry, a loud cry. And last, number 4, corn. C-O-R-N, corn. And the meaning is grain. G-R-A-I-N, grain. This is the work of your copy. Now, question answers. There are some question answers that you will do after words meaning. How you will do? Maintain the page. Chapter number 1, questions, answers. Question number 1, what is Mr. Mouse looking for? Can you give the answer? Can you give the answer? Mr. Mouse is looking for food. Why he was looking for food? Because he was feeling hungry. But you will write a simple answer. Mr. Mouse is looking for food. Now question number 2. How long does Mr. Mouse wait for food? Answer. Mr. Mouse waits for a month. Waits for a month. Question number 3. What does Mr. Mouse find? What does Mr. Mouse find? He finds a basket of corn. He finds a basket of corn. Now, question number 4. What happens to Mr. Mouse? What happens to Mr. Mouse? Mr. Mouse becomes fat upon eating a lot. Mr. Mouse becomes fat upon eating a lot. And last question, question number 5. What do we learn from the story? There is a moral that we have to learn. We learn that we should not be greedy. We should not be greedy. Greedy means we do not eat a lot of things like a mouse. We do not eat a lot of things. We should not be greedy. This is the work of chapter number 1. This is the work of chapter number 1. Words meaning and 5 question answer that you will do in your copy. So our class has completed now here. Take care. Allah Hafiz.